Welcome back to our channel, where we're dedicated to helping you achieve financial success. In today's video, we'll discuss 20 practical steps to help you build wealth and pave the way towards financial independence. So, let's dive in. Set financial goals. Define clear and specific financial goals that you want to achieve. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a house, or starting a business, having goals in mind will give you direction and motivation. Create a budget. Develop a budget to track your income and expenses. This will help you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending. Save and invest. Make saving a priority by setting aside a portion of your income each month. Look for investment opportunities that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to create an investment strategy tailored to your needs. Increase your income. Explore ways to increase your income, such as asking for a raise, starting a side business, or investing in your skills through education and training. Diversifying your income sources can accelerate your wealth-building journey. Control debt. Manage your debts wisely by avoiding unnecessary borrowing and paying off high-interest debts as soon as possible. Create a plan to pay off outstanding loans systematically, focusing on high-interest debts first. Live below your means. Avoid excessive spending and lifestyle inflation. Instead, aim to live below your means by making mindful spending choices and saving the difference. This will allow you to allocate more money towards investments and wealth-building activities. Continuously educate yourself. Stay updated on financial trends, investment strategies, and personal finance management. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial experts to expand your knowledge and make informed decisions. Network and build relationships. Surround yourself with successful and like-minded individuals. Networking can lead to opportunities, mentorship, and valuable connections that can help you advance your career and financial goals. Embrace long-term thinking. Building wealth takes time and patience. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes and focus on long-term strategies. Be prepared to make sacrifices and delay gratification for future financial security. Review and adjust. Regularly review your financial progress, reassess your goals, and make necessary adjustments to your strategies. Financial circumstances and market conditions change, so it's important to adapt your approach accordingly. Remember, becoming rich is not just about accumulating money, but also about building a solid financial foundation, making smart investments, and achieving long-term financial security. It requires discipline, perseverance, and a commitment to sound financial practices. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your income to your savings or investment accounts. This way, you won't be tempted to spend the money, and you'll consistently build your wealth over time. Diversify your investments. Spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Diversification helps minimize risk and maximize potential returns. Continuously improve your skills. Invest in your personal and professional development to increase your earning potential. Acquire new skills, stay updated with industry trends, and seek opportunities for career advancement or entrepreneurship. Minimize taxes. Understand the tax laws in your jurisdiction and explore legal strategies to minimize your tax liability. Consult with a tax professional to identify tax deductions, credits, and incentives that you may qualify for. Leverage credit wisely. Use credit cards responsibly and pay off your balances in full each month to avoid high interest charges. Establish and maintain a good credit score, which can open doors to better financial opportunities and lower interest rates. Start a side business. Consider starting a side business or pursuing a passion project that has the potential to generate additional income. A successful side venture can significantly contribute to your overall wealth-building efforts. Protect your assets. Obtain appropriate insurance coverage to protect your assets and mitigate potential risks. This includes health insurance, home insurance, life insurance, and liability insurance, among others. Give back. Incorporate charitable giving into your financial plan. Supporting causes you believe in not only helps others but also provides a sense of fulfillment and gratitude. Monitor your progress. Regularly review your financial goals and track your progress. Celebrate milestones along the way and make adjustments as needed to stay on track towards achieving your long-term objectives. Stay disciplined. Building wealth requires discipline and consistency. Stay committed to your financial plan, avoid impulsive decisions, and stay focused on your goals even during challenging times. And there you have it, 20 steps to help you build wealth and achieve financial success. Remember, becoming rich is a journey that requires dedication, discipline, and smart financial choices. By following these steps and staying focused on your goals, you'll be well on your way to a prosperous future. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and stay financially empowered.